Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to our daddy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy. Apostle Professor Johnson Suleiman. We love you, Daddy. Thank you for all you do, your benevolence, your humanitarian deeds all over the world. The depth of the word of God in your mouth, your prophetic precision, and all that you do for humanity. We love you. Thank you for always being there for all of us. We love and celebrate you, Daddy. You're such a good-hearted man, kind-hearted man. I don't know how to describe you, but I know that our God will continue to lift you up, to honor you, to protect you, to keep you from glory to glory until you reach your finish lines. Congratulations once again, Patriarch. Happy birthday, Patriarch. God bless you, sir. I love you. My family and I, my wife and children, we love you all together. Thank you, Daddy, for all you are, all you've been to us, and all that you do for God's kingdom and for humanity. Love you, Daddy. God bless you.